Alright, hey guys, and good morning. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my stay-at-home morning routine. Because of everything going on in the world right now, I have to kind of switch up my morning routine. I know I did an updated morning routine not too long ago, but things have changed since I have to stay at home and can't really go out. Now what I just showed you guys is a part of my normal morning routine. Even if I didn't have to stay inside, I wake up, go brush my teeth, I clean my room, get everything situated, and then I usually sit down at my makeup vanity to put on some makeup and get ready for the day. But since I'm not really gonna go out or do anything, I thought I would show you guys what I would do instead. And usually after I would get ready, I would go to the gym in the morning. That is something that I've been really missing. I haven't went in like 2 weeks, just because I can't. So I'm going to be showing you guys my at-home workout routine in this video as well. Also, for those of you who don't know, I am a cyber student as well. So usually I wake up around 9 o'clock because I have a homeroom to attend at 9:15. But since I don't have to log into homeroom as of right now, I can kind of wake up whatever time I want or is late. But I usually naturally wake up around like 10 o'clock just because my body is used to waking up at 9 o'clock. But for however long this is gonna last, I'm gonna make a goal for myself to not wear any makeup or very minimal makeup, because I don't really have anyone to see. I don't have anywhere to go. So I mean, not that I have to wear makeup when I go out anyways, but I usually like to. So now that I'm just staying at home, I feel like it's the perfect time to give my skin a break, have it breathe. I have 2 alarms set for lashes and brows, and I'm going to really try to apply castor oil to my eyebrows and my eyelashes twice a day, every single day. By the time I sit down, it is usually around 10:30 by the time I get everything else done. So I'm just gonna apply some castor oil. I do have 3 main products that I absolutely love. The first one is this castor oil by CL, I think it's called, and it's just supposed to give you fuller, thicker brows and lashes. I wouldn't say that I was trying to grow out my brows recently, but I definitely have been trying to get them just a little bit more full, just to fill in the areas that may be a little sparse. And then I have these 2. This one is a lash serum. It's by the brand BB, and it's a lash out serum. It's supposed to condition, protect, lengthen, and volumize. So this again is on a fine tip brush, so I just go along my lash line. If you guys saw my what I got for Christmas video, you might recognize this, and I actually have been using it not every day but a lot. So I have noticed actually a difference. Like my natural lashes, I can actually see them without having to curl them or do anything to them, which I love. And then I go in with the Skin Passion Pro Growth Lash Serum. I'm gonna try to apply it at 10:30 a.m. in the morning and then 9:30 p.m. at night. Those are like good times for me. So those are when I set my alarms. Also, I have been trying to apply less heat to my hair. So I got in the shower last night and this is how it dried. So I'm just gonna change out of my pajamas into my workout outfit. If you guys are curious in my gym workout routine and like my more full in-depth of what I love to do at the gym, including machines and everything, I will leave that link down below for you guys. This routine is going to be what I do at home to work out and kind of substitute for not being able to go to the gym. But obviously I can't hit like machines and stuff that would be at the gym, so it's kind of just like an all-over workout. It hits everything at once. I work on my arms, my abs, my lower body, and just like everything. Alright, so that workout takes about 45 minutes to an hour max. That's if I take lots of breaks, say like I'm sore from working out a lot. But it's now 11:30, and for the rest of the morning, I'm probably just gonna chill out again. Don't really have anywhere to go. Couldn't even if I did, but also you guys keep in mind that these are the workouts that personally work for me the best. So I do these twice a day just because since it's at home and I can't really add weights or do anything like that I usually would do. After this, I'm gonna go downstairs, make some breakfast, and that's really about it. There's nothing really to do. So yeah, that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what you guys have been doing to keep yourself busy during this time. Comment down below any fun activities, like maybe some ideas on what to do, or just what cures your boredom. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. Also, you guys, we are currently on the road to 150,000 subscribers. Like, I am literally at a loss for words. Like, that's absolutely mind-blowing to me. Like, and you guys all made it possible, you watching right now. So share this with your friends, share this with your family. I'm really, really excited to hit it, and I want you guys to experience it with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so, so much, and bye guys.